In today's video, we're going to install the super kilometer filter on the Toyota bZ4X. The installation is quick and straightforward. First, use a plastic trim removal tool to remove this cover. It's only held in place by clips, so it comes off very easily. Next, remove these two screws that secure the instrument cluster. Once the cluster is free, carefully pull it forward. Behind it, you'll find two connectors, one white and one black. Disconnect both of them. This is our super kilometer filter. It has 4 connectors, 2 of which are labeled white and black. Simply connect the module's white connector to the vehicle's white connector, and the black connector to the vehicle's black connector. Then connect the remaining connectors back to the instrument cluster. And that's it, the installation is complete. Now, let's go over how to activate the module and explain its operating modes. The activation and deactivation method depends on whether your Toyota is equipped with cruise control. If your vehicle has cruise control, pull the cruise control lever, located on the right side under the steering wheel, towards you and hold it for 4 seconds. Alternatively, press and hold the cancel button for 10 seconds. If your vehicle doesn't have cruise control, simply pull the high beam lever 4 times. There's also a much easier way. Download our SKF Speed version 2 app on any smartphone. Connect to the module via Bluetooth and you'll be able to activate or deactivate the device. Switch between operating modes and access all available settings directly from your phone. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.